not I get my heart to a fake one. I not end up on the blogs with the wrong one. I can give you my time, do you know who I am? Make you fall in love tonight, but still know who I am. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, Keeping Up with Q. From the title of today's video, you guys can tell I'm doing my 5 p.m. college night routine. Before we get to this video, make sure you guys give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you think. And lastly, subscribe to my channel to join the Q Mafia because I'm lit, y'all lit, so we can do it together, period. Now let's get into it. So recently I did my 5 a.m. college morning routine and I actually enjoyed filming that, and I guess you guys enjoyed that as well. A lot of y'all were shocked that I started getting up at 5 o'clock in the morning for school despite it being online. Yeah, I still decided to keep what I was gonna go with anyways because I have like early classes, but because y'all enjoyed that, I decided to do the college night routine online edition. I mean, it's really just the same thing, but instead of coming back from class, I've already been in my room basically all day. So yeah, right now it's actually only 4:54, but it's basically 5 o'clock. And I just actually got out of my last class. So yeah, I decided to just go ahead and start filming this video so I could just bring y'all along with me while I start my night routine. Y'all, honestly, I've been having like a long week and today is only Tuesday, but I already know this week is gonna be long because it already feels long. Last week was long. I've been dealing with a lot with school and stuff that's going on in my life, so y'all will actually get literally a full-on night routine just because when I feel like I'm going through it, like I tell y'all in my college advice videos and stuff, you got to take care of yourself. So y'all will see me doing a lot of stuff, like a lot of stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna probably look crazy, but I really been trying to be real chill with today because like I told y'all, it's just a lot going on. I don't really want to do too much right now. Like I just really want to relax and be comfortable. But without further ado, let's just go ahead and hop into the video and not waste any more time. Trying to do my linear algebra homework for the past 30 minutes. I just cannot. Like, let me show y'all. So we have 14 questions and I actually only did 8 questions. Actually no, I only did 7, and then the one that's incorrect is the first one that I've been trying to do for the longest. The rest I was skipping through them because I just can't do them. Like, I don't understand. And it's crazy because I was just telling myself ever since the first 2 days of class, I feel like I wasn't learning anything even though I was paying attention. So I feel like this is gonna be a case where I'm gonna have to teach myself again in math because the way she's teaching it, I don't get it. And then we use my math lab, so I try to use like to help me solve this, and the examples to go by it, it's not making sense. Like, it's just not making any sense. But yeah, I really don't know. This assignment isn't due until Thursday and it's Tuesday, so I honestly might just keep trying a little bit just to see what I can get and what I can't get. So I want to get most of it done really. That first problem I might just have to ask her in class because I have this class tomorrow, but I think I might just try to do everything else, and if it does not work out, then I'm gonna just have to ask. Okay, so apparently she has a certain amount of times you can actually try the problem, which is weird. So I tried this one particular problem 3 times and it ain't working out. So honestly, I said I was not trying to stress today, make myself feel overwhelmed, and I'm trying to relax. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do this tomorrow. This will be the only thing I have to do tomorrow. Tomorrow is really supposed to be my relaxed day because I got more classes tomorrow, but I'll do this tomorrow. I really just can't right now. It's not making sense. I don't even know if we did this yet, and it's due Thursday, but it's not making sense. I need to take this stupid bun off my head. Okay, so since I'm just going to call homework a wrap for tonight, what I'm going to do is go ahead and mark off everything that I've done for today because I do homework throughout the day too. And then I'm going to go through on Moodle and fill in my planner for new stuff that came up or work related and stuff outside of school that I got to do. So yeah, I'm about to do that and then I'll be back. So I'm just about to go ahead and start working on some videos that I need to edit. I actually need to check, well, handle a few things YouTube related because I got so many videos in store for you guys, college related and then other stuff. So yeah, if you have not subscribed right now, make sure you have already. But yeah, I'm just about to go ahead and do that. It's probably gonna take me like roughly an hour, and then yeah, I'm gonna start getting myself ready for bed after that. Hey y'all, so hold on, why is this bed? I'm done homework and YouTube, all that, and it's currently 7:30 and your girl is doing all that. Right now I'm about to get in the shower, do my face, all that, because I'm thinking of face mask today because I just need to unwind and get myself together. Because only if y'all know, well, I do plan on doing a video, so once you see this, go to my community tab because I'm gonna post it there too, and leave questions down below. If y'all even want to straight up just ask, what were you talking about in the video, like what are you going through, like what's going on, and I'm gonna tell y'all. I literally just want to unwind, so I'm probably gonna do a face mask, that same one that's in my girl talk, and or either I don't know, I'm gonna do some kind of face mask. I need it. But yeah, let me get in the shower because I feel like I'm doing too much, and I feel like I'm doing too much talk right now, and then I'll see y'all once I finish that. Okay, so I am out of the shower. Now it's time to do my face, but I'm really about to decide right now what I'm about to do exactly because I got this face mask. I also have, so y'all, I thought I brought more than one face mask from home. Turns out I only brought that same one I used in my girl talk video, so I'm gonna have to go with that. I'm starting to get a bad headache, like, yeah. I really can't wait to film this video so y'all can ask me everything I want to ask, so I can use that time to talk about everything. Because I don't know if it's just me, but when stuff is going on and you're not able to really talk about it, you tend to think about it a lot. And if you know me, I'm an overthinker, so if I can just find my brush that I can stuff on my face. You would think having storage bins would help, but I still can't bring nothing. So I didn't bring that either. So now I just gotta use my fingers. As I'm doing my face, I'ma just fast forward like I typically do. Then after that, I do my affirmation. And I tried something new this year because I know before, I think I showed y'all, I typically have it on my door, but this year, like, these things don't want to stay wherever I put them for some reason. So I've tried that by my calendar, and now we're trying here. Hopefully this works out because I don't have time and they just keep dropping. So before I get in bed, and I know I'm not about to get back up, I do just go ahead and read my affirmations since I'm in here and buy it. And yeah, y'all know I love my affirmations. Plus with everything that's going on, yeah, it's just a good thing to have at a time like this.
Choose your fighter.
Slightly inspired.
Fight.
Y'all, it is currently, let me tell y'all the time. It's currently 8:20, and I just got back from High by Night on campus, you know, getting me a pizza. So I know this is not the healthiest choice, y'all, but this is the only thing that's left, and I do have dining dollars I need to spend for the semester, so this is the only thing open, and I just went with this. So yeah, I know it's not the healthiest choice, don't judge me, but we gonna work it off. So I just got me a meat lovers pizza, sausage, pepperoni, bacon, cheese, the whole 9 yards. And yeah, this is basically the end of my night though, because at this point I would typically just eat, finish watching TV. My bedtime, y'all, is 10:30 because as y'all can see, I got nothing but morning classes besides on Thursdays, which is crazy to me. So I'm just about to eat this pizza, watch Wentworth, and then we out like a light. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know what you think. And don't forget to leave college related videos down below. So let me know what y'all want to see, because you know I'm here to do this for y'all. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to join the Q Mafia, because I'm lit, y'all lit, so we be lit together, period. And I will see you guys in my next video.